everyone, I hope you all are doing good. Today is going to be a very different video because I recorded this video on May 18th, 2024. Hoping that I'll release this video after 1 year, and if this video is out right now, then it must probably be around May 2025. I did this because I really wanted to know if I have been consistent enough, if I've been sincere enough in teaching you all music, and also to remind myself that whatever I did till now, I have done a fairly good job. If I'm not consistent when this video is getting released, probably it will be a reminder for me to buckle up and start it all over again. So that is the reason I am doing this video. Let's see where exactly I stand. On this day, which is May 2024, my current subscriber list is, if you can see, 1951. So we are about 1900 odd subscribers. Let me see how far I get with respect to my subscribers list. So that is going to be a surprise. If the number is good, I'll be happy. If the number is not good, probably I should work harder, right? So we'll just reflect on how far we have come in this channel and what all we do with this channel, okay? Back in 2018, I think I started this channel, and I think my very first video on this channel was Oru kannu oravu kannu unna muchu paarko ninnu. This was the very first video that I posted. And the story behind why I put the song is mainly because I watched the audio launch of this particular movie, Mercil, and I don't know what it made me feel. It made me realize something that I want to be on that stage someday in future. And especially the music was Rahman sir's music, right? So his music always does something to you. And on that day when I heard the audio launch of this whole album, it made me realize that, okay, it's time for me to start working on a dream that you can achieve if you are consistent with it. So that is why I posted that song, because that song is also from the movie Mercil. And I can really not remember how many times I would have watched that audio launch video. I don't know, it just made me feel so good about the whole thing, and it gave me a sense of hope. And it also gave me a sense of, buckle up dude, kind of a pat on my back. So that's something that I got from that video. So I mainly started this channel only to post cover songs. Teaching was not at all in my mind when I started this channel. But I think it was in the year 2020, late 2020 or early 2021, that one of my colleague made me realize that, why should we come back to your channel? You tell me. So that question changed my whole perspective, and that is the reason I started teaching. If I am not wrong, I think my first ever tutorial was Aaj Ibadat Roobaru Ho Gaye. I think this was my first ever tutorial in this channel, and from then I have posted only tutorials, and I rarely used to post covers. When I say I post videos, I was not at all consistent, okay? So yearly, probably I'll be consistent only for 1 month, and then it'll all die down. But then I don't know, something pushed me from inside, and I started being consistent. And touch wood, as of today, I had been consistent for almost 1.5 years. So I am really, really happy about that I did not miss even a single week. Probably I might have missed 1 or 2, but still I coped it up with uploading some shorts. So I'm really happy about that, and I'm really happy that I get to teach songs to you all. And when it comes to teaching, I know that my style is not so technical. I really don't go into what exact note we are singing. I just cover the songs based on how many notes are there in a particular line and how are the notes placed. So basically my idea was anybody should be able to sing. People who know music, people who do not know even a single bit about music, but who are really wanting to sing. So I really wanted to target those kind of audience. Not only those kind of audience. In between, I also post a couple of technical stuffs, which is like practice lessons and things like that. So even the people who are learned can benefit from my video. It's been quite a journey till now, and we have seen so many ideas that have been flowing around in this channel. First, starting off with song tutorials where we cover Tamil as well as Hindi songs, and daily practice lesson, that is another series wherein we also speak about technical stuffs, where how to sing, what kind of practice lessons you can adopt on a daily basis. And one of my most favorite series, which is the Learn from the Legend series. Personally, this is my most favorite one, because I always wonder, I wish somebody had told me all this while I was trying to figure out songs, because the things that I realize by learning or by conveying those things to you through this Learn from the Legends, it kind of makes me feel so happy. That is the very first thing, that I'm getting to share so many things. And you know what, sometimes when I utter something and when I try to edit that video, I get blown away, to be honest, as to, wow, is this me who told that, and things like that, okay? Because there are certain things that just comes out while you're recording. So that is one of my most favorite series. And we also have a few smaller series as to quick music challenge series, wherein we only decode a bit of a sangati or a bigger run portion, which is difficult to cover. And what else? We also started with raga based film songs. Till now we have just done 2, which is Charukeshi and Mand we have done. We also started posting shorts, right? And so nowadays what I'm doing is I take my whole tutorial video and then I see which part can be uploaded as a short, so that that will also help you get some smaller insights about songs. So yeah, so far this has been my journey with this particular channel. And another thing that I wanted to reflect was how we have evolved with our tutorials, right? Initially, my tutorials just had the notes. Because of all your comments as to, can you show us how the talam is? Can you please teach how this is sung? Because of all your comments, my video also started evolving. So I started having 3 different sections in my videos. First we speak about the notes, and then we speak about the dynamics of the song, and then finally we speak about the talam. So this evolution is also because of you all, and because of your constant support. So thank you so much for that. But I hope I have done much more at this time when I'm viewing this video. So let's see, fingers crossed. So yeah, this has been the journey so far with my channel. And if you think that I've been consistent till now, and if you think that I did a fairly good job, then please do comment you did great along with the thumbs up, okay? And thank you so much to each and every one of you watching this video, who has stayed with me in this channel throughout the start till the very end. It's only because of you that I made this video back in 2024, and it's only because of you if I'm watching this video in 2025.